everyone! Welcome back to our YouTube channel, where today we will learn how to purchase a TaxTron license for your tax filing needs. If you're a first-time user and not sure which license to choose, don't worry. In this video, we'll walk you through the entire process step by step, in a simple and easy way. So, let's start. First, open your browser and visit the official TaxTron website. Once the website loads, you'll see different options available. At the top menu, click on Products. Here, you'll find software versions for Windows, Mac, and web. If you use a Windows computer, select Windows T1 software. If you use a MacBook or iMac, choose the Mac T1 software. If you prefer not to install software and want to work directly from your browser, you can choose the web version. In this video, we'll focus on the Windows and Mac versions, since the purchasing process for both is almost identical. The web version will be covered in a separate video. Now let's go over the license options. First, we will understand what the single, family, and professional licenses are used for. The single license is ideal for individuals filing their own taxes on one computer. The family license is a great option if you plan to file taxes for family members, such as your spouse, parents, or children. Lastly, the professional license is designed for accountants, tax preparers, or businesses managing multiple client returns. Once you've decided which license best fits your needs, click on that option to continue. Scroll down and select the tax year, along with the quantity you would like to purchase. After that, click Add to Cart. Then proceed to checkout. You can also enter a promo code during checkout if there's any active promotional offer running. Otherwise, simply fill in your payment information and click Pay to complete your purchase. Once your payment is successful, you will receive a confirmation email stating that your license has been successfully purchased. Scroll down your email, and there you will see your license number. And that's it. You now know how to purchase a TaxTron license, even as a complete beginner. If you found this guide helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Thanks for watching.